Locked out of your own Excel file on your Mac because you forgot the password? Here's the fix. SysTools Mac Excel Password Recovery recovers lost passwords for both XLSX and XLS files. It gives you two smart modes: brute force for unknown passwords, and mask when you remember parts of it. It handles uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and even spaces, up to 15 characters long. Track live status with the estimated wait time and the attempts count. And it works completely offline, and never modifies your original Excel file data. Getting started is simple. Just visit the SysTools website to download the tool. Click Download Now to get the safe and secure Mac setup file. Prefer the full version? Click Purchase Now, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a great user rating. First, download, install, and launch the SysTools Mac Excel Password Recovery tool. Click the Browse button, then select your password-protected Excel file and click Open. The tool offers two recovery modes: unknown password and partial known password, or mask. Choose unknown password, or brute force, when you don't remember the password at all. Include uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, then set the password length and starting characters. Then click the Recover button to start the recovery process. Track live status with the estimated wait time and the total elapsed time. When recovery completes, a pop-up appears, so simply click OK. Your recovered password now appears on screen. Click Copy Password to copy it. Open your protected Excel file, paste the password, and it unlocks instantly. Like, share, and subscribe, then download the tool and visit systoolsgroup.com today.